There's another way I can associate this geometry, which is a little bit faster, and is our bulk method of selecting geometry. So if I click that marker setup mode again, I'll have this option for rectangle selection. I'm going to select that, and I can draw a rectangle over everything in the screen here, and it's going to select that. So you can see it's now highlighted everything just by drawing that rectangle. If I click this here, I can see I've selected a little over 500 meters of duct, and I can link that to the activity. So now you can see that all of the ducts on level 1 have been linked to that activity, rough and mechanical primary ducts. Sorry, just the hard ducts. Next up, I want to link the secondary ductwork to this activity. So I'm going to isolate the mechanical system again. I'm going to keep the mechanical equipment off, turn the duct fittings off. I'm going to turn flex ducts on and air terminals on. And these are the items that I want to link to this item, rough and mechanical ductwork. And I'm going to use that really simple bulk method again, the rectangle selection. So I'll click the marker setup mode, select the rectangle, grab all of that, click link to activity, and now that's associated with that activity. So if I open up my quantification columns here, now I'll see for those 3 that I just selected, I have geometry associated with them in the total quantity column. There's still nothing installed, and there's no % complete because I haven't progressed anything yet, but you see the total that I've associated with those. And I'll continue that process for all of the activities in the schedule.